Midjourney costs $10 per month, while ChatGPT costs $20 a month, which can get quite expensive. But luckily, I'll show you 3 image generators you can use for free or much cheaper. I'll show you the quality of the images they generate, the extra features they have included, and how free they are. By the end of this video, you can find your new favorite AI image generator. Fotor AI may be one of the easiest tools for you to use because it has the most user-friendly interface. You can understand how to use it at a glance. The prompts box is right here, and it gives you inspiration to generate an image. Negative prompts are below the box, where to describe the stuff you don't want in the image. You can change aspect ratios and image quantity, up to 6 images at once. And the generation model is selective. What's more, there's a bunch of presets to choose. For ultra-realistic images, the Photography 3 style is the best choice. Fotor also offers an inspiration gallery for users a quick generation. As you can see, the image quality is excellent. It looks like Fotor AI is professional in the ultra-realistic art generation with a kind of surrealistic sense of technology. Click on the image you love. You can see the prompts, style, and size. Simply click on Evolve, and you will get similar images as you want. See the size, it has a very high resolution. I believe it's one of the best AI image generators in image quality. But is it expensive? Well, let's check. As you saw, one image costs 1 credit, a new account can get some free credits, and it is possible to earn credits in the task center or in a challenge contest. And if you upgrade to Fotor Pro with 100 credits monthly, it costs $3.99 per month, including other AI tools like AI video generator, BG remover, face swap, and so on. Playground AI has a gallery right here that favors the vintage art style. It enables you to create a bunch of cool images. You can click on the image, either copy the prompt, or you can just click on Use Settings. It brings us into the generation studio, where you can see the filter they used. You can see all the other styles they have here as well. Besides the huge filters gallery, here is also a preset option, which you can create your own preset of image generation, such as the aspect ratio that relates the pixels of your image. Prompt guidance is to control how your prompt influences the image. You can do image to image, but I'm just going to do text to image now. A free account just can generate up to 4 pics at once. This one uses the model Stable Diffusion XL, and then you can also exclude the details you don't want in your image. And here you can see the first generation. If you're wondering how free it is, you can actually create 50 images per day and use the images commercially. There's no watermark or anything. The main shortcoming of Playground AI is the customization. Using Stable Diffusion with some of these filters, the face can sometimes be a little bit wonky. So it takes a little bit more prompting and customization to get exactly what you're looking for. SeaArt AI, much like Playground AI. The best part about SeaArt AI compared to other AI image generation tools is that it has excellent results for Asian portrait generation without stereotypes. You can click on a picture that you like, then click on Remix, and now you're in the studio to make images. We got the same prompt from before, and if we just click on Generate, you get almost the same picture. The cool thing about SeaArt is that they use open source models, so you can click here and use a bunch of different ones. But also, Make SeaArt is a little bit hard to use for beginners. We could go for Magic Realistic and add Allura, which is essentially a fine-tuning step, allowing you to create exactly the image you want. You can change the image quality, image mode, and image size, and you can even add negative prompts to avoid things you don't want. But how free is it? Well, the generation that we just did with 4 images cost 16 credits, and we got 150 just now. As you can see, this is refreshed and reset daily, which means you can actually generate a bunch of images. If you want to be an SVIP, you just need $239. It also includes advanced tools like image to image or control net, as well as tools like face swap and upscale. That's all for today's video. Hope you find the best AI image generator for you. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more tips and thumbs up if you like this video. See you in the next video. Bye!